Here's a quick tutorial on how to create a new recurring invoice in RECUR360. So first we'll come to our dashboard and we'll come to the left side and click on recurring invoices. That will take you to a page that shows you all of your current recurring invoices. So we're going to come to the right side and click the red Add New button. Once we do that, it'll take us to the Add New Recurring Invoice screen where we can enter in our details for our new recurring invoice. So under the template name, you can either choose from existing template names or create a new one. We'll select admin fee, then select a customer, and below that will auto-populate your customer details down here. You can enter in a description if you'd like for this template, then select your interval. We'll do weekly every 1 week on Monday. Select a start date and an end date if you have one. So we'll say by June 1st. Select your terms, so we'll do net 10 and a location and crew number if you'd like. Then on the bottom, you'll see a send emails based on due date, so you can select that and choose when to send out invoices as a reminder to pay the invoice. And then below that, you'll see a table to start adding your products or services. So we'll go in here and just select a pre-made product. Then we'll save that. And towards the bottom left side, you'll see a customer memo section. So you can enter in a custom message here. And one neat thing about RECUR360 is that we feature dynamic variables that you can use in your customer memos and throughout the entire system. So in this custom message here, I want to say, please pay your invoice by the due date for this invoice. So I'll come over here to the available variables and drag in the invoice due date. And there, once the customer gets this email, they will see the actual invoice due date here. So it will say, please pay your invoice by October 1st or whatever the due date is. Then over on the right side, you just have some final details you can add for your invoice, such as selecting a tax rate if that works for your invoice. Then on the top right side, you will see a summary of your recurring invoice based on the details that you entered. So based on what I put in, the next recur date will be on 5/9/2022. Following that, this will run every 1 week on Monday. The last recur date will be on 5/30/2022. And we have some final options in here that you can take a look at and fully automate and customize your invoice based on what you need for what you're looking for. Once you're done, click Submit. And then you'll see your new recurring invoice show up on this recurring invoices screen. And that's it.